हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल श्री करियर इंस्टीट्यूट। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं बीएससी थर्ड ईयर के मोस्ट आईएमपी क्वेश्चंस फॉर ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री। एक्सप्लेन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ न्यूक्लियर मैग्नेटिक रेजोनेंस NMR spectroscopy. Explain the theory of chemical shift. Write about shielding and deshielding effects. Write short note on spin splitting. Explain NMR spectroscopy. Unit 2. Write the structure of Grignard reagent. What is organometallic compound? Write short note on organometallic compound. Describe preparation and chemical reaction of organozinc compound. Write short note on thiol. Explain any three chemical reaction for the synthesis of organolithium compound. How will you obtain 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol from Grignard reagent? Write the mechanism of Claisen condensation. Unit 3. What are carbohydrates? Explain their classification with examples. How will you convert glucose to mannose? Explain Killeney-Fischer synthesis. How would you account for the following conversion? Glucose to fructose and fructose to glucose. Write note on glycosidic linkage. Write short note on synthetic detergents. Define iodine value and acidic value. Differentiate between soap and detergents. What are oil and fats? Differentiate between them. What are micelles? How does soap act as cleansing agent? Unit 4. What is amino acid? Explain the effect of heat on alpha, beta and gamma amino acids. What is the isoelectric point? Explain. Write notes on electrophoresis method and Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Describe the properties and main method of preparation of alpha amino acid. What are proteins? Give its importance. Discuss the structure of DNA and RNA. How the dyes are classified. What is the theme of nomenclature of dyes? Give examples. Write the short note on methyl orange, malachite green. What are heterocyclic compound? Give examples of 3 5-membered heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Give one method with equation to prepare each of the following: thiophene, piperidine, furan. How will we obtain pyrrole from furan? What happens when furan reduced pyrrole is chlorinated? What is scrub synthesis? Give its mechanism. Explain the mechanism of electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution reactions. What happens when pyridine is treated with HI, pyrrole is reacted with chloroform.